This is roughly 20 minutes after the fire alarm started going off. They turned off roughly, I want to say, 5 minutes ago. I'm saying this because I'll probably release the two videos simultaneously. Well, almost simultaneously, you get what I mean. That all the information we have for now was most likely a glitch in the system because they were replacing some crap today. I thought that stuff would have ended like at 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. at the latest, but apparently not. So yeah, now I'm gonna have to try to get my heart into a safer rhythm because like it's like 1:30 or something in the 140s. So I'm gonna finish eating my dinner, and if I have updates on this saga, I will keep you updated.